At the DAV Foundation, we think and talk a lot about the future of transportation. And one of the most important things we do is collaborating with the people working every day to build that future. That is why last week I flew to Moscow to meet one of those companies. I arrived in this big, massive factory from the Soviet era where they used to manufacture cars. And inside this huge building, there now exists a hub of 21st century innovation, and at the center of it, Copter Express.
The mission of our company is to build the best autonomous drones in the world, and only one way to do it is to create the cool cooperation between people, our staff and clients.
We began today at the hardware workshop, where they build their drones. And it's this huge, messy, elegant dance of engineers tinkering with drones everywhere. And the whole thing is set to this beautiful background music of 3D printers printing drone parts, plotters, and of course the drones themselves. After showing me around the lab, Oleg and Andrei hand me this black case and we step outside of the workshop, where a reinforced charging station sits in the snow. Andrei pulls out his phone, taps a button, and the top of the box slides open, and inside it is this beautiful black drone. Not wanting to spend any more time out in the cold than I have to, I immediately load the case onto the drone, step away, and the drone just shoots off into the sky and flies away. A few moments later, the drone returns, landing in exactly the same spot. I take out the package, and the locking mechanism positions the drone back in the center of the housing and automatically starts charging it. And that was that. I had just participated in one of the very first drone deliveries. How cool is that? Of course, the next thing we want to do is get out of the cold. So we head over to the software department, and I immediately feel at home. We talk about past hackathons we did, our first programming languages, our first computers, and pretty soon we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the pilot project we're building together. We brainstorm and talk about how we'll integrate their APIs with DAV's protocols and build our delivery pilot project together, connecting drones with users and charging stations, and all in a decentralized way, using the blockchain and the DAV token.
The DAV projects, it's a very good opportunity to connect drones with customers, and we're looking for any way to let millions of people get access for drone delivery, for use drones for different tasks and purposes.
One of the most exciting things about Copter Express is that they aren't just building drones. They're also building the charging stations to charge those drones, entirely without human intervention. So in a way, they're helping to build the infrastructure for the future of drone shipping.
If we make infrastructure for drones, we can fly for long distances without any problem, and we can deliver goods all over the city.
Now we can cover the distance about 40 kilometers, but if we place more autonomous stations, the distance is almost infinity, because it can fly from station to station to station and so on.
And that is how you take a collection of individual drones and build a network with potentially limitless range. This is a part of our journey to move anything or anyone anywhere using just one token.